Question number 11. Look at here. X cube by root of x power 8 minus 1 into dx. Here, the denominator is in the form of x power 8 minus 1. The numerator we have x cube. How can we simplify this? Which formula is chosen for this? Look at the denominator and numerator. Numerator we have x cube. The denominator we have x power 8. Just split it as x power 4 whole square minus 1. And then substitute t equal to x power 4 here. Its derivative dt equal to 4x cube dx. Or dt by dx is equal to 4x cube. Then dt equal to 4x cube dx. Here dt by 4 which implies x cube dx. Then look at the numerator we have in the numerator x cube dx. For that we can substitute dt by 4. And then the denominator root of x power 8 minus 1. That x power 8 minus 1 equal to x power 4 whole square. Then the substitution is given to t equal to x power 4. Then it will turn as t square minus 1. Then this 1 will be written as 1 square. So the denominator is in the form of difference of 2 squares. So I am choosing substitution for x power 4 here. Now rearrange this x cube dx divided by rewritten by x power 4 whole square minus 1 square. Difference of 2 squares. And directly we cannot go for the formula, go with the formula because here x power 4, here x cube appears. So give substitution, put t equal to x power 4 and dt by dx is equal to 4x cube, which implies dt equal to 4x cube dx and dt by 4 equal to x cube dx and dt by 4 equal to x cube dx. We can apply here. That is 1 implies, take it as 1. 1 implies integral x cube dx is dt by 4 whole divided by root of x power 4 whole square means t square, because x power 4 is t, that is t square root of t square minus 1 square. 1 by 4 is constant, so keep it 1 by 4 here. Then remaining is dt by t square minus 1 square, root of t square minus 1 square. Now we are in the formula of root of x square minus a square. Now by using the formula integral dx by root of x square minus a square dx is equal to dx by root of x square minus a square equal to log of modulus of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. Will have here instead x square we have t square, instead a square we have 1 square. So x is equal to t and a equal to 1. Substituting here we have that is equal to log of 1 by 4 remains here, and then 1 by 4 remains the constant. Keep the constant here, and then by formula log of modulus of x plus, here we have t plus root of x, the whole denominator. The whole denominator is t square minus 1 square or minus 1 plus the constant of integration c. Now the question is in x, the answer will be in x in terms of x. So substitute t equal to x square x power 4 in the final answer. That is equal to 1 by 4 log of modulus of x power 4 plus root of x power 4 whole square is x power 8 minus 1 plus the constant of integration c. That's all. This is a very simple thing, but just giving a substitution for t x power 4 as t, we will complete easily. Our 12th question, we have moved third type integral. In the type 7, we have three types. One is integral dx by root of x square plus a square format, and another one is integral dx by root of a square minus x square format, and the third case is root of integral root of the quadratic function into dx. That is third type. In type 7, there are three methods we are utilized. The first two has completed. The third one is here. Root of within the square root. The square root is only in the numerator. No denominator appears here. And the function will be a quadratic within the square root. For these type of cases also, we should first complete the given quadratic as a sum or difference of two squares. Now here I have rewritten as x square plus x plus 1. Both are same only. By converting complete square method, for x square x, here we have constant 1. So plus 1 by 2 whole square minus of 1 by 2 whole square plus 1. That is equal to x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4 plus 1. Simplifying this, x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 plus 4 by 4, that is plus 3 by 4. Now make it as square, x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square, making it as square number. Just this is a perfect square, we can write as 2 square. This is not a perfect square, that is converted as root 3 whole square equal to 3. So while writing as a square, we make like this. So x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Now instead this we can write here, that is equal to integral root of x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square into dx. Now both are equal, so instead integrating this one, we can integrate this. For our convenience, we have changed it as a sum of the squares of two numbers. Now here we can move to a formula for the separate case, different case this one. Root of x square plus a square dx equal to, here we have formula x by 2 root of x square plus a square plus x by 2 root of x square plus a square plus a square by 2 log of modulus of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. Listen carefully here, x by 2 root of x square plus a square by 2 log of modulus of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. So here is plus c here. Plus c is constant of integration. Once again write the formula here. Listen carefully. Integral root of x square plus a square, because this is x square plus a square. Root of x square plus a square dx is equal to x by 2 root of x square plus a square by 2 log of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. So applying here, which is equal to x by 2. Instead x we have x plus 1 by 2. So x by 2. By formula x by 2. Here we have x, here we have x plus 1 by 2. X by 2 into root of, the simplification of this term is x square plus x plus 1. So while writing root of x square plus a square, we should write root of x plus 1 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. This term will be equal to x square plus x plus 1. So you can directly write here x square plus x plus 1 or 1 plus x square plus then a square by 2. What is a square? Root 3 by 2 is a square. So a is root 3 by 2. A square is when squaring we have. So root 3 by 2 you can directly write. Root 3 by 2 whole square, a square by 2 divide by one more 2. This is a square by 2. Then log of a square by 2 log of modulus of x plus that is x means we have x plus 1 by 2. X means we have x plus 1 by 2. X plus 1 by 2 x plus then plus root of x square plus a square. X square plus a square means the same quadratic function. So you can write it as 1 plus x square or x square plus x plus 1. That will be equal to, simplifying, we have x plus 1 by 2 by 2 root of x square plus x plus 1 plus, when squaring we have 3 by 4 divided by 2. 3 by 4 divided by 2 will be equal to 3 by 8. So 3 by 8 into log of modulus of x plus 1 by 2 plus root of 1 plus x square plus c. This is the final answer. Listen carefully here. We have a formula. This is the next type formula, that is integral root of x square plus a square equal to x by 2 root of x square plus a square. This is simplified as 1 plus x square. So I have written here x by 2 root of x square plus a square by 2 log of x plus root of x square plus a square. So simplifying this, we will get the answer here. So this is the final answer. Now we are moving to question number 13. Question number 13. Given integral root of x square minus 2 dx. This is a simple thing. Just making 2 as a square number, which is equal to integral root of x square minus root 2 whole square. Convert 2 as a square number. 2 equal to root 2 into root 2. So root 2 power 1, root 2 power 1, root 2 power 2. So it is a square number. 2 equal to root 2 square. Now this is in the form of root of x square minus a square dx. That is equal to root of x square minus a square dx. Just now we had a formula, integral root of x square plus a square dx is equal to x by 2 root of x square plus a square by 2 log of modulus of x plus root of x square plus a square. Now here we have minus, that's all, root of x square minus a square dx. Instead plus we have minus, that's all, x by 2 root of x square minus a square. This plus a square into changes, minus a square by 2 log of modulus of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. Now substituting here on the same way, we have x by 2. Here also we have x by 2 root of x square minus a square. This is nothing but x square minus 2 plus a square minus a square by 2. Sorry, minus a square by 2. We have a square as root 2 square, that is 2 square or root 2 square or 2. Root 2 square or 2, both are equal. So root 2 square a square by 2. By formula we have 2. This is a square by 2 log of modulus of x plus, instead x we have x plus root of x square plus a square. This is root of x square plus a square. We can write it as x square minus 2 plus c. Then simplify it, we have x by 2 root of x square minus 2 minus root 2 square is 2. 2 by 2 become 1. Then 1 into log of modulus of x plus root of x square minus 2 plus c. That's all. So x square minus 2 is simply given within the square root. Just to change it as square number. Now this is the given quadratic written as difference of two squares. So we can go with the formula root of difference of two squares, x by 2 root of x square minus a square by 2 into log of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. The same way we are proceeding, we will get x by 2 into root of x square minus 2. A square by 2 means 2 by 2 1. So log of modulus of x plus root of x square plus 2 plus c. That's all. Okay, now fourth question comes here. Root of 4x square minus 5 into dx. Integral root of 4x square minus x into dx. Look at the formula here. x square minus a square dx is equal to x by 2 root of x square minus a square by 2 log of modulus of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. But here one constant is multiplied, but no constant is here for x square. If constant appears, we can go with such a formula, this type of formula, mx whole square. Can we write it as mx whole square? Because 4x square we have, it can be written as 2x whole square, that is mx square. So if mx square appears, we need m in the product. So no m here, so we can multiply and divide by m. We can go with the formula easily. So for that purpose, here I am writing this as 2x whole square minus root 5 square root of dx. Here we need to multiply 2 and divide by 2. 1 by 2 integral 2 into root of 2x whole square minus root 5 whole square into dx. Now this dx into 2 can be written as 1 by 2 integral root of 2x whole square minus root 5 whole square into d of 2x. d of 2x is 2 dx. Differentiation of 2x is equal to 2 into dx. So this 2 into dx as d of 2x. Now look at the formula here. M into, this is root of mx square plus a square d of mx. Both are equal here. Root of integral root of mx whole square plus a square d of mx is equal to mx by 2 root of mx square plus a square by 2 log of mx plus root of mx square plus a square term. But here we have plus, here we have minus. There is no change in it, a small change by using these two formulas. If minus appears here, the a square by 2 become negative, that's all. So same formula, just changing minus as plus or plus as minus, we'll get we can duplicate another formula. Here a plus a square means we have here minus a square by 2. No change in the other terms. So applying, which is equal to mx by 2. mx is 2x. 2x by 2. Then root of mx whole square plus a square. Root of mx whole square a square means root of. This is simplified as 4x square minus 1. So we can write it as 4x. Simplify this. 2 square 4x square minus 5. The same thing will appear here, minus 5. Then plus a square by 2, which is a square, 5 is a square. This is a square, a square, a square. All are a square value. A square by 2 means either 5 by 2 or root 5 by, whole square by 2. Anyway, you can write, or directly you can write 5 by 2 into log of modulus of mx. Mx is 2x. Plus root of mx square plus a square. This is mx square minus a square. Here we have plus, instead plus we should have minus, because in our question we have minus. If it is plus, we can write it as plus here. Minus, so we write it as minus root of 5 square by root of root 5 square by 2 into log of x plus mx is 2x plus root of the whole term will be equal to 4x square minus 5. That is mx plus root of mx square plus a square. This is mx square minus a square here. So mx square minus a square, mx square minus a square, 4x square minus 5. 4x square minus 5 plus the constant of integration c. Either you can write 2x whole square minus root 5 whole square, and then you can simplify more, one more step, you will get this answer. Or instead do 2x square minus root 5 whole square, directly we can go with a 4x square minus 5 here. Both will be equal only. So this is easy to complete. So whenever you write this type of formulas, after writing this formula, you should include the m type of formulas also. Whenever the constant appears other than 1 with the x square, we can go with this type of formula, that is easy to substitute. But here comes question number 15. Integral root of 2x square plus 4x plus 1 into dx. Take the quadratic factor inside the square root, 2x square plus 4x plus 1, and remove 2 as common. So remove 2 common, x square plus 2x plus 1 by 2 Now by use of complete square method, x square x plus 2 means divided by 2 plus 1 whole square minus 1 square plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 2 into x plus 1 whole square minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Then minus 1 plus 1 by 2 equal to minus 1 by 2. 2 into x plus 1 whole square. Simplifying these two, we will get minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 2 into, converting it as square, x plus 1 whole square minus 1 by root 2 whole square. That's all. Now we have simplified the given quadratic as a difference of two squares. We have written as difference of two squares. Now substituting here, that is equal to integral 2 into, that is we have 2 inside, so sorry, root of 2 into x plus 1 whole square minus 1 by root 2 whole square into dx. Now root 2 taken out, this 2 taken out as root 2 here, root 2 integral root of x plus 1 whole square minus 1 by root 2 whole square into dx. Now this is in the form of x square minus a square, root of x square minus a square, integral root of x square minus a square. We have formula integral root of x square minus a square dx is equal to x by 2 root of a square minus x square minus a square, sorry, x square minus a square. Here minus, we have minus a square by 2 log of modulus of x plus root of x square minus a square plus the constant of integration c. So here root 2 into root of x square minus a square we have. Applying the above formula, we'll get root 2 into, now going with the formula, x is root of x square minus a square dx, x by 2, x plus 1 by 2, root of x square minus a square means this is simplified as this way, and we can keep this one as x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus 1 by root 2 whole square, x by 2 into root of x square minus a square. Then by formula minus a square by 2 minus a square 1 by root 2 square by 2, a square by 2 log of modulus of x plus, instead x we have x plus 1 plus root of x square minus a square, that is x plus 1 whole square minus 1 by root 2 whole square plus c. Now simplifying this, we'll get, when we simplify this, when multiply this root 2 here, it will not affected, but here when simplify we have root 2 in the denominator, both get cancelled. So x plus 1 by 2 into root of this total value equal to 2 into x square plus 4x plus 1, because the root 2 in the denominator and the root 2 get cancelled will multiply. And then here when we multiply, this is 1 by 2 by 2 1 by 4, and when we multiply this root 2 inside, we will get one more root 2, and then log of, simplifying this, we have one 2 in the denominator, while squaring we have one 2 in the denominator, that is equal to 2 into x plus 1 whole square minus 1. This total value will be equal to 2x square plus 4x plus 1 divided by 2. So 2 is multiplied here, so 2 into x plus 1 plus root of, the total value equal to 2x square plus 4x plus 1 plus constant of integration c. That's all. Here comes the last question, 16th question in the exercise 2.7. Given question as evaluate or integrate with respect to x, integral 1 by x plus root of x square minus 1 into dx. We have done some of the formulas, some of the sums in the same type and previous exercises. Look at the denominator, we have x plus root of x square minus 1, 1 by x plus root of x square minus 1 is totally given. So taking conjugate to this, conjugate is x minus of root of x square minus 1. Multiply by the conjugate numerator denominator. Now the numerator is x minus root of x square minus 1. Now the denominator in the form of a plus b into a minus b. That is rewritten as a square minus b square. Now x square minus, we have square, so root will be eliminated. So minus x square minus 1 remains. Then multiply minus inside, minus x square plus 1. So x square minus x square get cancelled, remaining is 1 in the denominator. So x minus root of x square minus 1 by 1 equal to x minus root of x square minus 1. So we can replace this 1 by x plus root of x square minus 1 by x minus root of x square minus 1 equal to integral x minus root of x square minus 1 into dx. And we can separate and integrate these terms. Integral x dx minus integral root of x square minus 1. This 1 has written as 1 square into dx. Now we can go with the formula x square and minus a square here. Here simple integral x dx, x power n formula, which is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, that is x square by 2 minus of here root of x square minus a square by above formula, x by 2 root of x square minus a square minus a square by 2 plus into log of x plus root of x square plus a square within the modulus. Now here x by 2 root of x square minus a square, x square minus 1, 1 square is 1, minus a square by 2, a square 1 by 2, log of modulus of x plus root of x square minus a square, root of x square minus 1 plus the constant of integration c. X square by 2 minus x by 2 root of x square minus 1 minus 1 by 2 into log of x plus root of x square minus 1 plus c. Now that's all. This is the final answer of question number 16. Now we have completed exercise 2.7. All 16 questions are completed. So then